Before the ABCCM, I was a broken man. I didn't have a stable place to live, and since I've met the ABCCM and the VRQ, I feel like I'm a whole person again.
In 1969, downtown Asheville looked a lot different than it does today. But the needs and people were the same. A mix of homeless, families in need, and those living on the edge. It was at that time, during a home Bible study, that one group wondered, how could we care for our neighbors with such tremendous needs? This resonated with so many clergy and lay leaders that pastors like Fred Werhand and Reverend O.T. Toms joined to not only meet immediate needs, but build relationships that built stronger families, to break down barriers and bridge racial divides. Working together is something they preached and modeled as they served in the years to come.
Today, over 6,000 volunteers serve in excess of 144,000 hours, providing more than 17,000 meals, 30,000 food bags, 1,900 Bibles, 5,100 emergency beds, 5,300 emergency assistances, and $3 million in medicine. ABCCM has an 85% success rate, helping our homeless brothers and sisters obtain permanent housing. Not just help for a day, but for life.
Jesus said,
"When I was thirsty, you gave me something to drink.
When I was hungry, you gave me something to eat.
When I was a stranger, you welcomed me in.
I needed clothes, and you clothed me.
When I was sick, you looked after me.
When I was in jail, you came to visit me.
Jesus said that the righteous will answer, Lord, when did we see you hungry and feed you, or thirsty and give you something to drink? When did we see you a stranger and invite you in, or needing clothes and clothe you? When did we see you sick or in prison and go visit you? The King will reply,
Truly I tell you, whatever you did for the least of these, you did for me.
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 ABCCM. Not just help for a day, but for life.